Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Ensure the monitor is powered, cables are snug, and any built-in controls are at default. Now open your operating system display control, Windows display settings, or Mac OS displays, and select the monitor you want to adjust. Note the current resolution, refresh rate, and active color profile like sRGB or Adobe RGB. Once done, make sure the OS isn't applying scaling or night mode. These change color rendering and will confuse later calibration steps. You'll now change the basic controls that most affect perceived color. First, use the monitor on-screen display to set brightness and contrast. Aim for balanced shadow detail without clipping, then pick a color temperature near 6500 K for natural whites. Next, in your OS, select or install the manufacturer ICC profile so the system knows the panel's native gamut. Once done, make sure any blue light or night modes are off, and check GPU settings for default color depth, like 8-bit to avoid banding. Finish by calibrating. Use a software wizard or a hardware calibrator to measure and generate a custom ICC profile, then save and activate that profile in your OS. After calibration, test with reference images for gray ramps, neutral whites, and natural skin tones. If something looks wrong, tweak brightness or color temperature and recalibrate. If you still see issues, reset the monitor OSD to defaults, reapply the saved ICC profile, verify cable integrity, and update GPU drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.